Hi everyone, I'm going to do another video. Just before I start, in the previous video I asked for some feedback just to check that I was pitching it right and that I haven't just lost everyone by going too quickly. I haven't had very much so far, but it would be useful just to know that either I'm doing it right, in which case let me know, or that I'm making it too complicated or gone too quickly, or there's something you don't understand. Again, let me know so that way I can put it right. Okay, I'm going to introduce a new concept today, which is that of the input. You know, when you drop an indicator or a script in a chart, very often it prompts you for some input settings. I'm going to show you today how you can do that. Okay, so here's our script as it stands at the moment. You can see that at the moment we are deleting all orders for that occur in the chart that we've actually dropped it in. So that's this bit I'm highlighting here is the bit that shows that the chart is the one we've actually dropped it in. Okay. Now what we need to do is add an option so that we can delete all orders across the board, whether it's in the chart we dropped or not. Okay, so this might be a useful option sometimes. You've had enough of trading, you've got some pending orders across the chart. Just drop what script in somewhere and they all go. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Now the first thing you need to do is how to add one of these property things. You don't normally have much to do with this, but we're actually going to have to add one of these at the moment. And the property you're going to add is show inputs. Now what this does, if you have that in the top, then when you drop the script in the chart, it will show the little dialog box which allows you to set the inputs. If you don't have that, then it won't actually allow you to set them. Okay. Won't actually show you the dialog box. Okay, so the next thing you need to do to define an input is, unsurprisingly, you write the word input. You write the word input, then you follow it with a variable declaration in the usual way. So you know how here we defined a variable. We're going to do it up here. Okay. Now in this case, the variable we want is going to be a true-false type of variable. So either we do want to delete all the orders, or no, we don't. Okay. So a true-false variable is called a boolean, and you write it as bool like that. And we're going to call our variable delete across all charts. Okay. Now by default we don't want to delete across all charts, so we're going to set it to false. Okay. Now the user can change that to true if he or she does want to delete across all charts. Okay. So we now got an input there, and the only other thing we need to do is this logical bit here, okay, with the symbol equals order. I'll just write the code first and then I'll explain how it works, okay? Right, okay, just compile that, check it all works, yeah, okay. So before, what we were doing is selecting the order, that's that bit there, and checking that the symbol equaled the order symbol, which was that bit there. Now I'm saying, check we can select the order, and either it's in the chart we originally dropped it in which case we definitely want to do it, or, which is what those two little lines mean, we want to delete across all charts. Okay, so if one or the other of these is true, then we can carry on. Okay, so now there's one other thing. If you write delete across all charts equals true, there's a shortcut you can write for programming, which is you can get rid of the double equals true, and just put delete across all charts. And what the computer will do is look at this, assume it's a boolean thing, which it is indeed because it's defined like that, and then either respond according to whether it's true or false. Okay, but writing it like that is equivalent to writing double equals true, and that is in fact all we need to do. So if this is set to true, then we'll carry on whether it's in the chart that we dropped it or not, and delete the orders. So this should delete all the orders. Just check it compiles. Indeed it does. Let's go to our charts. Just check the auto trading switched on. This is a familiar gotcha. The first time I was recording this video, I forgot to check that this is switched on, and I couldn't understand why the script wasn't working. It's one of these things you just got to get your head around and be aware of. You know, when you change accounts, then auto trading has to be switched on. Anyway, I'm going to put some orders in here, just to have something to delete. Right, so I've got 4 limit orders there. Now just to show you how this works, I'm going to drop it in this chart here, which has no orders in it. Okay, so drop it in. Now you see my dialog box, that's what these little boxes are called, has now come up. And here's my variable, and I can set this to true. So yes, I do want to delete across all charts, and then press OK. What you'll find, there we are, this is my message, and all 4 orders have gone. Okay, so there you go. And of course, if you set that, by default it's set to false, so if I put orders in here, and then I just drop this order thing here and just go OK, then it's only deleted the order in this one, but not in the one, not this one. Okay, so that's the behavior we wanted to do. Okay, there you are. As always, if you've got any questions about any aspect of what I've done so far, if anything's not clear, I'm more than happy to explain it. Okay, thanks very much. Bye for now.